Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change Ford Escape headlight. First, let's gather our tools and prioritize safety. You will need a socket set, Phillips and flathead screwdrivers, and pliers. Don't forget protective gloves to keep your hands safe and prevent oils from touching the new bulb. Most importantly, always disconnect your vehicle's battery before beginning any work to avoid electrical shocks. Having the correct replacement bulbs is also crucial for a successful repair. Now let's access the headlight assembly. Begin by opening your Ford Escape's hood. Look for the screws or clips that hold the headlight assembly in place. These are typically found at the top and side. You might encounter T30 Torx screws or 10mm bolts. Carefully remove all these fasteners. Once loose, gently pull the entire headlight assembly forward, being mindful of any electrical connectors that need to be detached. With the assembly out, it's time to replace the bulb. Twist the old headlight bulb counterclockwise to release it from its socket. When handling the new bulb, always wear gloves or use a clean cloth. Oils from your skin can create hot spots on the glass, causing the bulb to burn out much faster. Carefully insert the new bulb into the socket, then turn it clockwise until it is securely in place. It is often recommended to replace both headlights at the same time. Finally, let's put everything back together. Reconnect all electrical harnesses to the headlight assembly, ensuring each connection is snug. Carefully slide the headlight assembly back into its position and secure it using all the screws and clips you removed earlier. Double-check that everything is tight and properly aligned. Once reassembled, reconnect your vehicle's battery and turn on your headlights to confirm they are working correctly. You're all set for a safer drive.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.